Portia Highcloak. Swap one card from your side of the board with up to 2 cards from the same community or color in one of the opponent's rows. If you swap more than one opponent card, opponent draws 1 community card to their recruits. So, it's my turn to go, and I have set her up for a nice play. So I'm going to take this 5, let's see, +1 brown, I'll move this 6 up, and I'll move my 7 back, and I'll bank their 6. Okay, so no draws. Now I'm going to play my faction, which I want to play her because I can swap 1 card from my side with up to 2 cards of the same community right here. I can also just swap the 2 for the 9 to say, but getting 2 is a lot better in this case. So if there's only 1 to swap with, that's still a good one, but I got 2, so that's good. And it's worth the penalty that I'm going to have to give them. So if swap more than 1, opponent draws 1 community card to the recruits. So 7, all right, that's worth it, I think. And that's Portia Highcloak.